Hello, this is Daniel with Daniel Dialatone, and this video actually has nothing to do with audio equipment, except for if it's audio equipment that you use your Mac for. And if you clicked on the description of this video, means that you probably ran into the same problem where I did, where so I bought this computer used and I had no idea that there was any such thing as a firmware passcode or whatever. I've had other Macs that I've gotten used, and I've always been able to recover, OS, reinstall OS, stuff like that from the, recover option. But anyways, so yeah, something happened with this where I was not able to, unfortunately, wasn't able to recover from it. So I accidentally allowed my computer to upgrade to a new OS, which I'm not ready for. So I kind of shut it down in the middle of it, and I said, you know what, I'm just going to wipe it. I mean, I know that shutting off your computer in the middle of an OS install is not a very good idea, but I was like, you know what, screw it, my stuff is backed up all the time, so I'll just wipe the hard drive, and just go back down to Catalina. Unfortunately, so when I tried to recover, I got that stupid password thing. And so what I did was I contacted, so any reputable Mac place will tell you, oh, there's nothing we can do. You have to be the original owner, and if you don't know the passcode, basically screw you. That pissed me off, kind of. But then a couple other, just other guys, there's, anyways, I ended up with this one guy who took the hard drive out, put it in his identical Mac to see if he built a new OS, if it would just automatically launch when he put it back in here. But it didn't like that. It still required firmware code to be punched in, which he still charged me $160 anyways, just to do all that. I can't believe that actually took 2 hours, but well, there you have it. This is an expensive lesson. And why is this video so long? Because I want you all to not make the same mistake that I did. Don't go to a repair place. They're going to charge you an arm and a leg. All you need is to find out by looking at your serial number. You find one of these EFI chip card thingamajigs. I'll post a link to it in the description. And so I installed this. Unfortunately, it was a little bit difficult to install the new OS. I had to he didn't even format this hard drive correctly. I don't think this guy even really knew what he was doing. It wasn't formatted correctly. So that was a problem. So I had to reformat it. Yeah, so once I put this in here, I was able to access it through the recovery option, startup option. So yeah, I was able to get into disk utilities and format this the way it's supposed to be formatted. And yeah, so you still may come. I'm not promising that this will totally solve all your problems. So I had a couple failed attempts of reinstalling the OS for some reason, but somehow, well, actually, the second attempt actually did work. And what I did, I just recovered straight from my Time Machine backup hard drive, which I highly recommend it. Everyone, if you are not backing this stuff up, at least every week, at least, you're really setting yourself up for some, hard times. So that's it. Okay. Thanks for watching, I guess. I mean, if you're watching this, actually, I think the better way to end this is to say good luck. Yeah, but definitely check out the site that I'm going to link. And this thing, the price of it is a little ridiculous, but pretty amazing. So, on the bottom of this card, a couple microcontroller thingamabobs, and so there's a EFI bio chip that they actually program and put in on this card thingy. Really awesome that they're able to do that. So it does seem a little pricey, just a little piece of plastic, but I already paid $600 for this computer, so without being able to access it, it's a $600 paperweight, basically. So, okay, that's it.